Hello, everybody, and welcome to Will You Press the Button? My name is Medium Game Master, and I am here to guide you through this. Now, feel free to comment. Feel free to comment. Feel free to subscribe. Tell me if you want me to play anything else that's on either Mac or iPhone, maybe. Just help me, cause I don't know what to play. I don't know if you even want this. Tell me if you want this, cause, So, you get to live in the Star Wars universe, but you can't be a Jedi. Now, I don't exactly watch Star Wars, so sorry. Lag. There we go. 49% of people, it's really split. Anyway, good dilemma. For those who watch Star Wars, I guess. Be sexist of your gender, but you remain a virgin for the. I'll be sexiest of your gender. No, that's like a kick to the teeth. It's such an ironic kick to the teeth. Bad. Bad dilemma. Bad. Bad. You become the richest person in the world. You have to either kill your best friend or your lover. Oh god. Is this the type of thing where people get very serious with me? I shall not press the button. I just can't do it. It's a good dilemma for those who don't have that good friends or lovers. You would, sorry, you'd fly on Air Force One with the president, but you would sleep less than 4 hours per night all year. I don't sleep during summer anyway. Go fuck yourself. That's a dumbass dilemma. Let's see. World peace, but a small group of 1,000 people. Hell yeah, as long as I'm not in that group of people. Just think about it real quick. In fact, look, way more people agree with me. So yeah, go. I'm sticking the middle finger up right now. You can't see it. It's bad dilemma. Bad. Bad. Teleporting and invisibility. I mean, my tongue is poop. Invisibility. Orgasm teleports you to random locations on planet. Disrupts invisibility. Cannot teleport. That's stupid. No, I will not. Bad dilemma. And see, small amount of people agree with me. I don't care. It's bad dilemma. Alright, see. Endless banknotes in your wallet. Never in the currency of the country you're in. No! But then again, what if you hang out in the airport and just give the money to travelers? That might be kind of illegal, but well, actually, I don't know. There isn't a law against it, is there? I'm gonna press it. I'm gonna press that button. I'm gonna press that button. Bad dilemma, because it was easy. Everyone you love will live long, long happy lives, but you will die. I don't see the downside of this. They live happy lives. I live happiness in heaven, I guess. Why not? I mean, it would be a good legacy to leave. See, people agree with me. So, it's a good dilemma for some people. All your past and future memes will get featured. You will get a life and will have slow internet connection. I shall not. Cause what exactly are memes gonna get you? You can't get money for having those memes. No. You gonna get money for making YouTube videos? Actually, yes. Anyway, most people agreed with me here. It's bad dilemma. Bad. You can change the fate of any one person. This person cannot be you, and the exact opposite will happen to you. Oh God. No, I don't want to play. I don't want to play with God's tools. Sorry for any of you people out there. See, yeah, apparently some people disagree with me. It's a butt dilemma. But the butt. You get the superpower of your choice. The entire. Oh God, no. One giant musical. No. 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 Bad boy. Simply just no. Because you know what? Just no. Bad dilemma. Stupid ass dilemma. You can talk to dead people. You'll be haunted by their dead body, and nobody else can see them. That's stupid. That's all I can say. You can date your favorite member of your absolute favorite band. You'll be the reason why the band breaks up. I could date Taylor Swift. Heck yeah. Bad dilemma because of how easy it was. You are a master at a musical instrument of your choice. You are really pretentious about it, and people hate you. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. This is really important. Character. Hmm. I will not press that button. Anyway, it's bad dilemma because of how easy it was. You meet the love of your life. You can only talk 3 weeks out of the year. No! I will not do that. Bad dilemma. Bad. You can push the button, but you don't know what will happen. Oh God. Oh, I'll do it. I volunteers tribute. 74 people pressed the button. It's good dilemma because it's awesome. Hmm. You see the you receive $1 million and everyone thinks you have $1 million. But you secretly have to donate at least half of it to charity. No. No. I could not live with that. Sorry for any of you out there. But 500 grand, I could not lose like that. It could break me. It was a good dilemma, though. Heath Ledger never died. He never chose his most popular roles. This is important, people. Just give me a second. Give me a second. Dark Knight. Um, give me a second, people. I don't care for any of these movies, and I've only seen one of them. I will not. I will not. Bad dilemma. Bad. Bad boy. Bad. Anyway, since I've gotten about the correct limit for a video, I want you to think about this one.